Are you aware that Lake Garda, in Italian, Lago di Garda, is Italy's largest lake? It is a popular holiday destination in northern Italy, located on the edge of the Dolomites halfway between Brescia and Verona, and between Venice and Milan. The lake's name, Garda, is derived from the town of the same name, which has been mentioned in documents dating back to the 8th century. It is derived from the Germanic word warda, which means guard station, observation station, or safety station. In today's video, we will feature Lake Garda as Italy's largest lake and has 52 kilometers long by 17 kilometers wide. Its size influences the local climate, which is milder and sunnier than expected, due to a complex pattern of lake breezes. It is also the most visited of the lakes, attracting roughly 7% of all tourists to Italy, and serving as a link between the Alps and the rest of the country. But before we start, welcome to Momidi TV. We create videos about travel destinations that will feature travel tips, safety, and products for everyone from first-time backpackers to seasoned travelers. We hope to inspire you to get there, enjoy your travel and have fun that the amazing world can offer. Please subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload video on healthy tips, you will be updated. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. For any comments and suggestions, you may leave a comment below. Now, let us get back to the video. The Lake of Garda, or Lago di Garda in Italian, is a popular tourist destination in northern Italy. Cheaper flights to the many nearby airports have increased the appeal of Italy's largest lake to those from northern Europe. Depending on where visitors stay during their Lake Garda vacation, the villages and towns along the lake shore have distinct personalities. The inviting places that Lake Garda will offer to its tourists are the following. First, SCALIGER Castle in Sirmione. The castle, with its towers and the geometry of swallowtail battlements and walls, is Sirmione's symbol, and greets visitors as they enter the historical town center. When you enter the castle, the first thing you notice is the courtyard, followed by the walkways and the harbor, which house the boats. Finish your tour by climbing the castle's high tower and admiring the lake's breathtaking views. Second, Isola del Garda. The island was first inhabited during Roman times, and was known as Insula Crani, Isle of Skulls, because it was used as a burial site. The island was abandoned during the final days of the Western Roman Empire, and later became a pirate hideout. Isola del Garda was given to the friars of Verona in 879 and renamed as Isola di Frati, Isle of the Friars. Third, Villa Cortine Palace Hotel. A waterfront hotel with an outdoor tennis court in Sirmione. Local landmarks include the Church of San Pietro and SCALIGER Castle, and natural beauty can be found at Jamaica Beach and Parco del Mincio. The water park of Lane Infi del Garda, and the Museum of Birds are also worth seeing. Do you want to dip your toes in the water? Adventures such as motor boating, sailing, and boat tours can be found close to the property. The hotel's quiet location is appreciated by guests. Fourth, mountain biking. The area north of Lake Garda in Italy is ideal for mountain biking. Think epic views of Dolomite giants, and glorious descents to the edge of the glistening water, nestled beneath the towering mountains of the Trentino province. It provides a one-of-a-kind lake and mountain experience. Fifth, paragliding. The nature and view from up there are so unique and breathtaking that they will give you goosebumps. And so are the lights and colors, which change from morning to evening, not to mention from season to season. The only landing spot for paragliding along Lake Garda's shores is in Malcesine, on the lake's northwestern shore, and is run by a local association. And there is a takeoff area in Malcesine, on Monte Baldo, that is easily accessible by cable car. If you are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button. and subscribe to this channel. Now, let us get back to the video. 6th. Kayaking. Lake Garda is a stunning location for a day on the water. The lake, located in northern Italy, is surrounded by mountains, and surrounded by picturesque towns and villages. The lake itself is clean and clear, and there are numerous places to explore. Kayakers can explore cliffs, rocks, and beaches by paddling around the water's edge. Kayaking on Lake Garda is mostly easy paddling on calm water. Kayaks and canoes are available for rent at resorts and towns throughout the lake, so you can simply show up, pick your kayak, and head out on the water. Beginners should, however, receive some group instruction before venturing out on their own. 7th. Walking and hiking. The contrasting landscape of Lake Garda from north to south, and east to west, the diversity of terrain and scenery, and the breathtaking views make walking and hiking in Lake Garda a must-do for anyone serious about the activity. There are walks and hikes for all skill levels, from a leisurely stroll along the water's edge, to climbing Mount Baldo's highest peak at 2,220 meters. Whether you want to experience fascinating nature, breathtaking views, sleepy villages, historic buildings, or a combination of all of these, there is a walk for you. What is the average weather? July is the hottest month in Lake Garda with an average temperature of 24 degrees Celsius or 75 degrees Fahrenheit. And the coldest is January at 2 degrees Celsius or 36 degrees Fahrenheit. The wettest month is September with an average of 86 millimeters of rain. Every year, thousands of tourists from all over the world visit Lake Garda, which is the ideal destination for those seeking tranquility, hospitality, culture, and a lot of fun. Lake Garda provides an extraordinary range of outdoor activities to meet the needs of every visitor. So, come and join the fun. And that is it. Thank you for watching Momidi TV. Please hit the like button and subscribe. See you in the next video.